Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to replace an Aqualisa thermostatic mixer cartridge. Whether you are experiencing temperature fluctuations, low water pressure, or just need an upgrade, this guide will take you step by step through the process. So, let's get started. Tools and safety precautions. Aqualisa replacement thermostatic cartridge, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, adjustable wrench, hex/Allen key set, plumber's grease bucket and towel to catch any water. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. This is the most crucial step for safety and to avoid a watery mess. Locate your main water shutoff valve or the isolation valves for your shower. Turn them off completely. Step 2. Remove the shower controls. Now, we need to access the cartridge. This usually involves removing the temperature control handle and potentially a decorative cover. Be careful not to force anything. If a handle is stuck, try wiggling it gently. Step 3. Remove the temperature stop ring. Some Aqualisa models have a temperature stop ring that limits how hot the water can get. If your shower has one, you'll need to remove it. This usually involves pressing a small button or lever and then rotating the ring. Step 4. Access the cartridge. With the controls and any stop rings removed, you should now see the cartridge or the components surrounding it. There might be a retaining nut or a securing clip holding the cartridge in place. Step 5. Remove the retaining nut or clip. Using your adjustable wrench or spanner, carefully loosen and remove the retaining nut. If it's a clip, use a flathead screwdriver or your fingers to gently detach it. Step 6. Remove the old cartridge. Now, you should be able to carefully pull the old cartridge out of the valve body. It might be a bit stiff, so gently wiggle it and pull straight out. Take a look at the old cartridge. You might see signs of damage or limescale buildup, which could be the reason for your shower problems. Step 7. Prepare the new cartridge. Now, let's get the new cartridge ready. Some cartridges come with O-rings already in place. If not, carefully install the O-rings that came with the new cartridge. It's also a good practice to apply a small amount of plumber's tape, PTFE tape, to the threads of the cartridge or the retaining nut. This helps ensure a good seal and prevents leaks. Step 8. Install the new cartridge. Align the new cartridge with the valve body. There's usually a specific orientation, often indicated by markings on the cartridge or valve. Gently push the cartridge into place until it's fully seat. Step 9. Reinstall the retaining nut or clip. Secure the new cartridge by reinstalling the retaining nut or clip. Tighten the nut firmly, but don't over-tighten it, as this could damage the cartridge or valve. Step 10. Reinstall the temperature stop ring, if applicable. If your shower has a temperature stop ring, reinstall it, making sure it's properly engaged. Step 11. Reinstall the shower controls. Put the temperature control handle and any decorative covers back in place. Tighten any screws securely, but again, don't over-tighten. Step 12. Turn on the water supply. Now for the moment of truth. Carefully turn the water supply back on. Step 13. Test your shower. Turn on your shower and check for any leaks around the valve. Adjust the temperature control to ensure it's working smoothly and that the water temperature is consistent. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Aqualisa thermostatic cartridge. And that's it. Replacing your Aqualisa thermostatic cartridge is a straightforward process that can save you money and get your shower back to its best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DIY plumbing tips.